To a large bowl, add panko breadcrumbs, a pinch of red chili flakes, a minced shallot, some freshly chopped parsley, the zest from half of a lemon, and then 2 cloves of grated garlic. Melt a half cup of salted butter and then pour it into the bowl, season it up with salt and pepper, and mix until well combined, and then take a pound of fresh shrimp that have been peeled and deveined, and then toss them with more lemon juice, a splash of dry white wine, and of course, some more salt and pepper. Arrange them in a casserole dish. You can make it fancy if you want, or just throw them in there along with all of their juices, and then take that breadcrumb mixture and spread it out evenly all over the top. Then they'll get baked at 425 degrees for about 15 minutes or until they're bubbling around the edges and nice and golden brown on top. Give them another squeeze of lemon juice and a little sprinkle of parsley, and that's it. They're buttery, garlicky, they're lemony, and they're just so good.